Meaning of daisy chain. Daisy chain. Daisy chain.
Daisy chain. Daisy chain. Daisy chain refers to the connection of multiple devices or components in a series, where the output of one device is connected to the input of the next device and so on. The resulting chain can be used to transmit data, power, or signals between devices, creating a longer and more complex system. Daisy chaining can lead to loss of signal quality or power as the chain gets longer, but it is a simple and cost-effective way to connect multiple devices that are in close proximity to each other.